So the next node I would like to demonstrate is the color lookup. So we have a regular 2D color lookup and a deep variant of it. So, but I think rather to looking at rendered images, I think it's better in this case to have just a black constant, placing a ramp on top, just from left to right in a linear way. So it looks like this, and just the alpha. So that's the image. Hooking up the color lookup in here, converting it to deep by different frames without the pre-mode. Okay, it doesn't matter with the alpha, with the opaque alpha, and the additive should not match here. So this is a way of how the deep samples are weighted into towards each other. So the multiplicative makes sure that the actual outcome of the image, the flattened version, is the same as the incoming. And the additive is a different algorithm, which you might use in some case, in case you need it. If you want to make a visual match, make sure you're using the multiplicative one. So let's get this going with, let's say I want to have 1.5 to 1.0. It looks like this. I can copy it over, bring in the deep ones, and just select this one, paste it in, and we should have a match. Even if I grade it down quite a bit, we see the actual gamma function, or like this kind of treatment works in both ways. And you can just reset in here, you can reset in here. Cool. So let's bring in, let's say I want to do some stripes in terms of like ramping it off a little bit. So do it like this. It's very fast way to do it right now. So there might be better options, just for the sake of demonstration. So let's do it like this, copy it over. So we just have the green channels, so the other ones should be fine. Red and blue, yes, just the green ones as well. Cool, bring it into the green. And we have a match as well. So that's cool as well. You can reset both curves again. And of course you can make sure that you have some more useful things, like a more daily business in terms of grading, rather than doing some fancy stuff in here. Of course this doesn't really match and I haven't aligned it yet, but it actually shows the purpose of it. So you can do whatever you want to do in the regular 2D color lookup. You can do it. You can transfer those behavior into the ones from the deep side. So we have also the source target in here, same behavior as the ones in the 2D option. And that's basically it. Of course you can go nuts in here and then just fancy a little bit more what things are doing. So we have to read one of them, but that's okay. Cool, so that's the deep color lookup. So again, make sure that if you want to convert things to that it's a multiplicative, and otherwise it's the regular behavior like the other one. And that's for it.